Hello viewer, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech2Easy. Today we will learn how can we pass data from one page to another page. So before I started, if you are new into our channel, so please subscribe our channel. You can see the red color subscribe button below. So today we will learn how can we pass data from one page to another page. So for this we have to create two pages here. On page one we will add a list. On that list we have like 10 records. So when we will click on any of the record, so it will redirect to another page like page 2. So on page 2 we will able to see the clicked record. On page 1 we clicked on the record which name is Satyam. So when user will click on that record, it will redirect to the next page, and on next page he will able to see the all the information related to the Satyam. So now we will go to the screen, and I will show you how we can do it. So let's get started. First, in as I told you in my previous video, how we can create a web pages. So first we will first we will create a web page. So for create a web page, we will click on the next. You can see new page option is here on the left corner. So when we click on this, it will show you layout. So first we will create a as a blank layout. So when we click on blank, it will create a web page like this, and we have to add a list here. So for adding the list, we will click on this plus icons. This is for the components, and we have various type of components here. So any of them here as per our requirement. So as per our requirement, we have to add list. So we will click on this list. So when you will click on this list, it will add here, and when you will click on list, it will ask some information from you, like the name of the list, table name and view name. So as you can see, this is a test list, and table name is account, and the view, you can see I've selected active accounts. So these things we have to do on the page 1. So after this we can able to see the accounts table records on the page 1. So if you want to see the changes on the front end, just click on this. First you have to click sync configuration for seeing the changes, and after that you have to click browse website. When you will click on browse website, you will able to see the changes which you do. So when you will click on this browse website, it will open a new tab, and you will able to see the, as you can see, this is a test page which you created, and in that page you will able to see this is a list, and in this list we have multiple records here. So now we have to create another page test page 2, and when we will click on any of the record from here, so it will show you all the information on the page 2. So for same thing we have to do for the creating a next page. We will create here on the option new page. When we click on this new page, it will show you layout. So we will click on this blank, so it will create a another page. As you can see, we already created second page with web page with the name of second page, and on the second page we don't require any list, right? Because we already created list in the page on page 1. So on page 2 we have to add a form, because when we click on any of the record from page 1, so we have to show that particular record only. So we have to add here form. So on the page 2 we will add a form. So when you will add a form, it will you have to fill some information here, like name of the form, table, form layout, and mode of the form, like read only, edit mode, insert mode. So we have to show the record on the page 2, so we will select here read only. Okay, so now when you will read all the changes, you have to click on sync configuration for syncing the changes. So now we will go to the page 1, basically page 1 to page 2. So we will open page 1 here. So this is our page 1. So when you will click on this browse website, it will open page for you like on a new tab. Now you can see this is a page 1. So now when I click on any of the record, like I am clicking on this record, Fabricum. So when I click on this record, as you can see, it's redirected to test page 2. This is the web page 2, and as you can see, it's showing all the information related to this account: primary contact, main phone, fax number, website address, all the data related to that record only, as you can see. And on page 1 we have multiple records from multiple accounts, but here you can see we are able to see only that record only. We are able to see information related to this account only, right? Now we come back to the page 1. Now if you want to see the information related to Northwind traders, so just click on this. As you can see, Northwind traders here, phone number, fax number, primary contact, website, all the information related to that account only, right? And as you can see, we are able to show all the records on the basis of this ID only, because this is the unique ID for this record. And this ID you will able to see on this on the page 1 as well. As you can see, if you want to see that ID, so for this you have to mouse over on the record, then you will able to see in the below, as you can see. So that's all for today. If you find this video is helpful for you, so please share with your friends, and please like the video. And if you want more video like this, so please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.